Okay, like this is my first time doing chiropractic adjustment, and I feel really relieved right now. Before I came here, I felt like I'm not feel really good. It seems like I feel some discomfort, like doing my motion like this. However, after my adjustment, I feel so relieved. I thank you so much, Doc, for this chiropractic adjustment. I really want to do it in the next round, maybe perhaps, but I thank you so much. I really feel relieved, and I really want to recommend this chiropractic adjustment. This is one of our steps to like wellness. Like we need to protect our promote our health and of course our wellness right now. Thank you so much, Doc, for this.